Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today we're in Macau. We have ano ba yung tawag to?
Ferres.
Mante from this restaurant, everyone. How you pronounce it? I forgot.
Mantegaria.
Mantigaria?
It's a Portuguese original egg tart.
Are you sure? It's not the Lord's
Now
one,
you-
me.
No, in fact, this is actually from Portuguese. The actual egg tart. So let's show you. It's coming out.
Closer look. Closer look.
Baby. Saan tayo?
Oh! Sunog ang puwet.
Wow.
Wow, looks yummy. Oh,
Yeah.
may gulay. Let's eat, guys!
Hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Sarap! Hindi masyadong matamis. More on
Pag mahilig ka
Vanilla?
sa
What?
cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Ang sarap! Kakaibang ano. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Oh my God. Bye-bye, guys. Yun lang. Promotion. Beke na lang. Bye.
Mo?
Oh.